This is the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited Custom Build. Coming in Nighthawk Satin Black Metallic with a black and Amaretto interior, this can be yours today from Reserve Auto Group. Coming fully loaded from the factory, this Jeep is equipped with tons of upgrades such as the custom paint, a 3-inch lift with control arms and shock boots, Mopar hood, black RhinoWarlord wheels with 35-inch Nitto tires, bodyguard kit, Rhino steps, and more. Sporting an exclusive Amaretto leather interior, you'll be confidently comfortable behind the wheel. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6.